Did you know that 90% of people who start an online business fail because they think they need years of experience or a huge budget? But here's the truth. In 2025, there are 3 online business ideas you can start with 0 experience, and I'm going to show you exactly how. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn these ideas into a steady income. Let's dive in. The first online business idea is freelance writing. In 2025, businesses are constantly looking for talented writers to create blog posts, articles, and marketing content. The best part, you don't need to be a professional writer to get started. Here's how you can make money with freelance writing. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific topic, like technology, health, or personal finance. Create a portfolio. Write sample articles or blog posts to showcase your skills. Find clients. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger to land your first gigs. The average freelance writer earns between $50 to $200 per project, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can learn this skill. To learn freelance writing, you don't need to spend a fortune. Here are some affordable and free resources. YouTube channels like Writing with Jenna Morisi or blogs like The Right Life offer great tips. Paid courses, check out platforms like Coursera, Creative Writing Specialization, or Udemy, Writing with Flair. Practice, start a blog or contribute to platforms like Medium to build your portfolio. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance writing gigs. ProBlogger job board, perfect for long-term writing opportunities. Fiverr, ideal for offering quick writing services. Now, let's explore the second business idea. The second online business idea is social media management. In 2025, businesses are spending billions on social media marketing, and they need skilled managers to create engaging content, run ads, and grow their online communities. Here's how you can make money with social media management. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Local businesses. Approach small businesses that need help managing their social media accounts. Agency work. Join a digital marketing agency to gain experience and build your portfolio. The average social media manager earns between $50 to $200 per hour, depending on their expertise. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn social media management free resources. YouTube channels like Social Media Examiner or blogs like Hootsuite's blog offer great tips. Paid courses, check out platforms like Coursera, Social Media Marketing Specialization, or Udemy, Social Media Management Mastery. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva for designing posts or Buffer for scheduling content. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for beginners to find small projects. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick social media management gigs. LinkedIn, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for social media experts. Next, let's dive into the third business idea. The third online business idea is online tutoring. In 2025, the demand for online education is higher than ever. Whether you're good at math, languages, or even music, you can turn your knowledge into a profitable tutoring business. Here's how you can make money with online tutoring. Choose a subject. Focus on a specific subject or skill you're passionate about. Create a curriculum, develop lesson plans or materials to teach your students. Find students. Use platforms like Preply, VIPKid, or Wyzant to connect with learners. The average online tutor earns between $20 to $50 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn online tutoring. Free resources. YouTube channels like Tutorful or blogs like the Tutor website offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, Become an Online Tutor, or Coursera, Teaching English Online. Practice tools. Use platforms like Zoom for tutoring sessions and Google Classroom for organizing materials. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to use. Preply, perfect for teaching languages, math, or other subjects. VIPKid, great for teaching English to students worldwide. Wyzant, ideal for connecting with students in your local area. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations. You now know the top 3 online business ideas you can start in 2025 with no experience. Freelance writing, social media management, and online tutoring. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these ideas are perfect for building a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one business idea, and scale as you go. Be consistent. Show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to automate your online income streams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.